Hey guys, this is Roby coming at you with another video. We are gonna be doing the new box of the Rookie Explosion box Volume 10. It's that time of the month. Alright, so let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so in here we got our list. What is inside the box? 1982 Donruss, 1986 OPG, 1993 Top Series 1, 2010 Topps Update, 2015 Topps Update, 2016 Bowman, 2016 Topps Chrome, 2018 Topps Chrome Retail, 2000 Topps Heritage High Number, 2018 Topps Update, 2019 Topps Heritage Minor League, and 2019 Topps Series 2. Of course, in the back is a list of everybody well, not everybody, but the main rookies you are looking for. So let's just go ahead and get started. I usually kind of do them in a random order. So we're going to go ahead and start on the 2019 Minor League. Topps Heritage Minor League. And on that we are looking for base cards of Wander Franco, Jordan Alvarez, Julio Rodriguez, so Joey Bart, Seth Beer, Luis Robert, Jared Kelenic. Variation short prints of Wander Franco, Luis Robert, Jared Kelenic, Nolan Gorman, Nico Horner, Casey Mize, Joe Adell, and Tim Tebow. Alright, and then autos of Wander Franco, Joey Bart, Jared Kelenic, Nolan Gorman, Nick Horner, basically all the same ones. Except Tim Tebow. Tim Tebow doesn't have one on that. Alright, so let's just go ahead and get started on that. Alright. So we have Corey Hitler, Jonathan Hernandez, Anthony Kay, Mogero, Terras, Fresh Scene, Matthew Liberador. Pitching leaders, Kristen Santana and Robin Mauricio. So nothing off of that. All right, let me turn on the light, make it a little brighter. One thing I forgot. All right. Let's see what else. I think let's do 2010 Topps Chrome. Is it? I think that's Topps Chrome 2010. Let's see. Topps Update. Or sorry. There's parallel cards of Mike Stanton, which would be Giancarlo Stanton on here, Josh Donaldson, Lorenzo Cain, and Carlos Santana. You guys watch some of my other videos. Saw me pull with Carlos Santana. I think first Bowman off of one of them. Alright, so let's go ahead. Let's see. Miguel Cabrera, home run derby. Ryan Howard. Steven Strasburg, Ivan Rodriguez. What is that? Washington Nationals. I didn't even know Pudge Rodriguez was from the Nationals. I think that was the time that I was kind of stepped away from baseball. Peter Borges, Placido Polanco, Jordan Smith, Anthony Slama, Joe Nathan and Drew Storen, one of the legendary lineage. Huh. Is that a buyback or something? Looks like Don Mattingly, Yankees. The cards your mom threw out, 1992 Topps. Alright, and then we have this Mark Reynolds. I don't know what that is exactly. Topps Attacks per game or something. Alright, nothing great off of that either. Let's go ahead and do the 1983 Donruss, I think. 1982 downriss, sorry. Puzzle piece course. They got Mike Schmidt, Hall of Famer. It's a nice one right there. Mike Schmidt, Hall of Famer. Bert Hooton, Alex Trevino, Bill Matlock, Scott Sanderson, Tim Loudor, Tom Hosman, Mike Squires, Rob Baumgarten, Ross Baumgarten, Ivan DeCasus with the Diamond Kings, Bill Garner, another decent, Sam Mejias, and Frank Tavares. Oh, there's one more in here. Rick Waits. Nope, nah. The one we were looking for. We were looking for Lee Smith and Cal Ripken Jr., which of course Cal Ripken Jr. would have been the great one. All right, let's do it. What is that? 1986 Peachy. No notable rookies. Look for stars instead. All right, so look for the gum instead on that one. Which we found the gum. We hit the jackpot. All right. These are definitely, look at that. Wow. PSA worthy. Willie Nell Wilson. One of the great stars off of that one. So Dan Petrie, Dave Concepcion, Vance Law, Tom Filer, Steve Trout, Mike Trout's dad, like was it the Up North Collectors, joking around about that. Not really Mike Trout's dad, but you know, that'd be good. Let's do the 2018 retail top chrome. Opened a lot of these, and these are actually a good retail product. I have them on my base box. I mean, I've gotten some good autos, including probably mentioned this a lot, but Shohei Ohtani green parallel. All right, so Corey Kubler, of course, and these ones we are looking for the big three right now, at least. Acuna Jr., Juan Soto, and Gleyber Torres. Of course, I mean, the checklist on that is just, I mean, we got Rafael Devers, Shohei Ohtani, and you also got Rhys Hoskins, you got Victor Robles, Ozzie Albies, you got Scott Kingery in there, kind of decent. I'm trying to Clint Frazier, you got there's another one of the decent ones, can't remember. But anyways, Rafael Devers, look at that, there's a good one right there. Rafael Devers, and what is that, 84 design, that's a good one right there. And then you got Bryce Harper, Superstar Sensations, and our last one, George Springer. He did great this year, so we finally got something off of that. All right, next up, let's do this 93 Topps Series 1. And of course, on that, you know who we are looking for, who we all want, you know. Maybe we can get one of his great cards. Well, that's a disappointment. That's not the gold one. That's what we wanted, the gold. Send that to PSA. Hopefully it'll be PSA 10, but nope. I don't know who that is. Terry Steinbach. Eric May. It's kind of hard to read. That light didn't help at all. Wes Chamberlain. Melito Perez. Dave Hollins. Lloyd McClendon, Kenny Rogers, Scott Livingstone Tigers. I don't even remember that. Him. And he's got an All-Star Rookie Cup. Andre Dawson, Hall of Famer. Polito Richard, Dave Conkrane, Jeff Ennis, Bob Chbosky, or something like that. Rick Sutcliffe, Kevin Mitchell. All right, let me try something else. All right, let's see. What are we gonna go with next? I think let's go with a 2016 Topps Chrome. Alright. I think. I don't remember. Alright, so Troy Tulowitzki used to be a great player at one point. Edwin Encarnacion, home run machine there. Charlie Blackmon, that guy's an awesome player. And Richie Schaefer, rookie card. Nothing great off of that either. And that, of course, I think we were looking like for Blake Snell. It's the most notable, I think. That was Chrome. Let's see. Corey Seager, of course. There you go. Corey Seager. Blake Snell would probably be next. Trevor Story. Trey Turner. Ketel Marte. Yeah, those are the ones, really. Julio Diaz. The other guys are decent. That's all. Next up, let's do 2015 Topps update. That we are looking for rookie card. San Francisco Lindor. Carlos Correa. Rookie debut. Not the true rookie, but the rookie debut of Chris. Where is it at? 215. There you go. So Chris Bryant. So it's not the true rookie. Joey Gallo. It's another decent power. He's a power hitter. Noah Syndergaard. Jock Peterson, who's another decent one. Tommy Pham and Matt Boyd. All right. So let's see. Hector Gomez. Let's see if we can get a gold one. That'd be awesome with one of those good rookies. Denson Bolkes, Vance Worley, Mark Melancone, jump that, Frank Robinson, Rights, special insert, that's pretty cool. Yasmani Grandal, All-Star, Royals Crush, Jason Kipnis, Tucker Barnhart, Hector Gomez. I think we already went to those. So let's see what we have in the gold. It's a Pirate. Nobody good. Mark Melancone again. So you got back-to-back Mark Melancone. Regular and a gold. A gold numbered, I think. Number to what? 2015. Yep. Alright. Nothing great off of that either. So go ahead and do, what is that, 2016 Bowman. See what we are looking for in that. 2016, you got base cards of Corey, so paper and chrome prospect cards of Vladdy Guerrero Jr., Fernando Tatis, Alex Bregman, Yoan Moncada, Victor Robles, Wilson Contreras, Paul DeJong, Trey Mancini, Mike Clevenger, and chrome models of Alex Bregman, Yoan Moncada, Victor Robles, Wilson Contreras, Paul DeJong, and Tyler O'Neill. I think I'd like the Alex Bregman one the most, especially if I'd autograph would be sweet. All right, let's see what we get. Rob Snyder, Steven Strasburg. Too bad that's not a rookie one. That's a good player. Mark Melancone again. Chad Pinder, chrome. Lucas Giolito. Victor Robles, paper first. There's one of them right there. Victor Robles, first Bowman. That's just the paper. Fernice Moore. And our second chrome is Alan Hansen. Don't know who he is. Brandon Crawford and Ian Kinsler. So we got one. At least a paper one. But, all right, so next up, let's go ahead and do this. 2019 Top Series 2, and I think the one that I want the most on there is Vladdy Guerrero Jr., just because it's a short print. And then the other one that would be really nice would be Pete Alonso. Got a few of those, but the more merrier. All right, so we have Diego Castilla, and then the other two that we are looking for, of course, Leo Jimenez and Fernando Tatis Jr. So John Gant, Lance Ginn, what is that? Jared Dyson, Jeremy Jeffries, and then we got this buyback of Jim Palmer. That's a little off-centered, but oh, it's not a buyback. It's the iconic card. All right. Ah, man, that would have been nice if it would have had an auto. I've gotten one of those old timers like that from an auto from one of these. Alex Cobb, Zach Wheeler, Ryan Brazier, Gary Sanchez, Cole Hamels, Mark Canha, Jason Castro, and Alex Wood. Nothing off of that either. Man, no luck. All right, so we're gonna go ahead with Topps Heritage high number. We'll see, looking the same things for all the 2018. The big, what is that? The big three right now: Gleyber Torres, Juan Soto, Ronald Acuna Jr. But you also have Shohei Ohtani. You got Miguel Andujar, Victor Robles. Where's those at? Rafael Devers. All right, or an action would be great. Mitch Garver, Miguel Rojas, Brian Johnson, Gift. I don't know who the heck that is. And then, ooh, look at that. There you go. Shohei Ohtani rookie card right there. Shohei Ohtani. Have to make sure. Let's see. Got any kind of parallel or anything. See, Chris 8, Ayaneda. See what the number is on that. 675, 675. So it's just a regular rookie card. That's still a good one. Pat Neshek. And last but not least, Trevor Cahill. Right, so we got one of the, not the top ones right now, but it's only just because he was out. He didn't pitch this year. He only played part of the year. He was hurt at the beginning of the year, and he was hurt toward the end of the year, I believe. So, Mike Montgomery. So this is the last one. Of this we are looking for the same ones, and of course, you guys know what we want on this one more than anything. Ronald Acuna Jr., Gleyber Torres, or Juan Soto. All right. So Mike Montgomery, Patrick Corbin, Trevor Story All-Star. Oh, that one's a two-card. Patrick Corbin's also All-Star. Devin Mesoraco, Ryan Yarbrough rookie. What was this one? Didi Gregorius, Sal Romano, Nolan Arenado, Jose Abreu, and Craig Kimbrell. So nothing off of that as well. So let's do a quick recap of the ones that we did get. This isn't on the list, of course, but these are always pretty nice. I wish they would put original ones in here. That'd be even awesome. More awesome than it is. So we got the Jim Palmer iconic cards out of the 2019 Series 2. And then we got the first Bowman of Victor Robles from the 2016 Bowman paper. Wish it was chrome, but then we got this Rafael Devers 84 design Topps Chrome rookie. That's pretty nice. Rafael Devers, one of the top not rookie anymore, but one of the top players this year. And of course, we got the Shohei Ohtani rookie off of the 2018 Heritage high number. All right, and that actually looks like it's in great condition. PSA. All right, PSA worthy. I was gonna say, but anyways, that's it for now. If you guys haven't subscribed, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys hit that like video and make sure to comment on here. You guys got anything? Maybe I could have missed something. I don't think I did, but you guys see anything that I missed? What you guys think of these? I mean, I haven't had the best of luck. I haven't had any giant hits like some of these other people off of these. I don't know if I'll I'll continue with them much longer. I mean, if I get something great, maybe, yeah. But I haven't had the best of luck on these, so, all right. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.